I was at the board when a student stormed out of my classroom and just banged the door so loud. I was like, what's that about? And I went in the hallway. He was nowhere to be found. I went back to teaching. Later, he returned to the classroom and said, "Oh, I'm so sorry." And I thought to myself, why would you do that? So I asked him, what was the matter? Oh, someone took my phone. Yes, someone took your phone. The person was not in this class. Why did we have to suffer the consequences of your emotion? And so he didn't have a good answer, and there is no good answer. Whether you're having a bad day or someone did something to just upset you, you shouldn't let it spill all over the place. Manage your emotions.